Isa sa isa na namang makasaysayang pagdiriwang, dumalo at maranasan ang pagkilos ng kapangyarihan ng Diyos. Jesus is Lord Church 47th Anniversary, October 18, 3 p.m. at Luneta Grandstand.
You're watching
Praise Incorporated
on Light TV.